645 Set Mismatch. This Java code defines a class solution with a method findErrorNums that takes an array of integers nums and returns an array of two integers as the answer. The purpose of the method is to find two types of errors in the input array nums. 1. The number that occurs twice, duplicate. 2. The number that is missing in the sequence from 1 to the length of nums. Here is a breakdown of what the method does. 1. An array called answer with size 2 is initialized to store the two error numbers. 2. An array called map with size 1001 is created to act as a frequency map. This array is used to store the count of each number in the nums array. Map 0 is set to 1 because the numbers in nums are expected to start from 1, so index 0 is not used. 3. An integer variable x is initialized to keep track of the current number while iterating through the map. 4. A boolean variable found is initialized to keep track of whether the missing number has been found. 5. The first for loop iterates over each integer I in the nums array and increments the corresponding count in the map by 1. This step builds the frequency map. 6. The second for loop iterates over each count j in the map. During iteration, the following checks are done. If the count j is 2, it means that the corresponding number x is the duplicate and is assigned to answer 0. If the count j is 0 and the missing number hasn't been found yet, it means that x is the missing number and is assigned to answer 1. The variable found is set to true to indicate that the missing number has been found. The variable x is incremented at each step of the loop to move to the next number. 7. After the loop finishes, answer contains the duplicate at index 0 and the missing number at index 1, and this array is returned. The method correctly identifies and returns the two error numbers for a given array nums.